Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pause your browsing history on Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. This is typically a circular button that displays either your profile picture or your account initial. Go ahead and click on this profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various account-related options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Manage your Google account. This option will take you to your Google account settings page where you can control various aspects of your account's privacy and data management. It's the central hub for all your account preferences. Once you're on the Google account page, navigate to the left side of the screen where you'll see a vertical menu with several options. Click on Data and Privacy. This section is where Google stores all the controls related to what data is collected and how it's used across their services. It's an essential area for managing your digital footprint. Now, as you scroll through the Data and Privacy section, you'll need to find and click on My Activity. This feature shows you a comprehensive timeline of everything you've done across Google services, including your searches, websites visited, and apps used. Clicking here will give you access to manage all this activity. On the My Activity page, look for the option that says Web and App Activity and click on it. This specific setting controls whether Google tracks your browsing and app usage history. It's the main toggle that determines if your Chrome browsing gets saved to your account or not. You'll now see a toggle or button that says Turn Off. Click on it to proceed with pausing your browsing history. This action will stop Google from recording your future browsing activity, giving you more privacy while using Chrome. After clicking Turn Off, a pop-up will appear giving you two choices. You can either select Turn Off, which simply pauses future tracking, or Turn Off and Delete Activity, which both pauses tracking and removes your existing history. For this example, we'll just click Turn Off to pause the history without deleting what's already been recorded. Next, a confirmation message will appear. Click Got It to acknowledge that you've successfully turned off the tracking feature. This confirms that your browsing activity will no longer be saved going forward. One more notification will pop up informing you that your past activity hasn't been deleted, only the future tracking has been paused. Simply click Got It one final time to dismiss this message. And there you have it. You've successfully paused your browsing history on Google Chrome, and your future activity won't be tracked or saved to your Google account. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.